Software and Tech with Anamol. Today I will show you a cool tool that you can use to generate figures and diagrams based on any text. The tool is called Napkin AI. It uses AI to generate beautiful, relevant visuals based on any text. As you can see on my screen, this app, their uh, title or the main heading is get visuals from your text, and it actually does that with perfection. Now let's try it. Here you can see I already have a report ready. This report also is generated by AI, and you can use Napkin AI for that too. Now this report is very well organized, and it covers all the points that I want to be covered, but it doesn't look very interesting. It looks boring, but we can easily make it interesting with some figures and diagrams. For example, for these points, I want to add a visual, a diagram. I just need to click on this button and see the magic. See, in just few seconds, it generated a beautiful diagram based on this text. You can select it, or there are some other suggestions. You can go and see which one is better aligned with the text or with the format we want. And if you don't like any of them, we can generate even more. See, let's say I want to take this one. See, now it looks much better. Let's say I want a diagram for this text also. Sorry, yeah, for this text. Now I can click here again and wait a few seconds, and hooray, we have a nice diagram for this as well. I'm just doing it again. See, this looks really nice. I hope you will find this tool useful in your everyday life. Please share your experience with this tool and about this video in the comment section. This is one of my first videos as I am very new to YouTube. So your comments, suggestions, feedbacks will be very helpful for me. I wish you everyone a nice day, and thank you very much. See you next time.